So 100% loan, it's easier to qualify. The qualifications are far much easier on a VA loan than a, say, conventional loan or FHA loan. The credit score, you can go down to 580. VA says you can go down to 580. Your lender may say, we ain't doing a 580. But VA says that you can. The credit score is less. The debt ratios are far more forgiving. If you've been turned down for a conventional and you have the ability to get a VA, you want to go VA anyways, okay? Easier to qualify, and, okay, here's a special, it is assumable. Nobody thinks today that a mortgage is assumable. FHA loans are assumable. VA loans are assumable. If you have a VA loan and you're ready to sell, another veteran can assume that loan, pay you your equity, assume it, and reinstate your eligibility. You can also sell it to a non-veteran. They have to qualify for a loan, but a non-veteran can assume your VA loan and you're released from liability, but your eligibility is not reinstated if you want to buy another one. Now, if you're 60, 70 years old and you're ready to go into an apartment complex or condo or something and you're not going to use it again, then whatever.